In this video, we will learn how to use the third conditional. To talk about unreal and imaginary conditions and results in the past, we used the third conditional. It is used to express an imaginary event that was the result of something that did not happen. Here is an example of a sentence using the third conditional. If she had studied harder, she would have gotten better grades. If she had studied harder is the imaginary event in the past. She would have gotten better grades is the imaginary result. To make third conditional sentences, we use if plus past present, comma, plus modal plus have plus past participle. If my alarm had gone off, I wouldn't have missed the bus. We can use affirmative or negative verbs in either clause or in both clauses. If I hadn't bought those shoes, I would have had enough money for that sweater. If I had changed the oil, my car wouldn't have broken down. If he hadn't been using his cell phone, the accident wouldn't have happened. The if clause can come either first or second in the sentence. If you had followed the recipe, the food would have tasted better. The food would have tasted better if you had followed the recipe. I would have been able to take a holiday if I had saved more money. We often use the third conditional to ask imaginary or hypothetical questions. Where would you have gone if you had taken a holiday last winter? If I had taken a holiday last winter, I would have gone to Thailand. What would you have done if the weather had been sunny this morning? If the weather had been sunny this morning, I would have gone to the beach. How would your life have been different if you had been born in Los Angeles? If I had been born in Los Angeles, I would have been a movie star. Finally, let's compare the third conditional to other conditionals. The zero conditional is used to talk about things that are true. For example, if you mix red and blue paint, you get purple. The first conditional is used to talk about possible future events and their results. For example, if the weather is nice, I'll go to the beach. The second conditional is used to talk about unlikely or imaginary situations. For example, if I had more money, I'd travel the world. The third conditional is used to express imaginary or unreal situations in the past. It is often used to express regrets or to speculate about what could have happened if things had been different. For example, if I had gone to university, I would have become a teacher. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.